What's going on? Ah, shit. I hate when that happens. So there's something... Oh my gosh. Something with when I unlock a window or when I move a window across my screen, it makes everything freaking minimize all at once. That's like the... I don't know what the hell just happened there, but I'm gonna try and fix it. And then you have to maximize everything again after that in order to get it back. Yes. And Q. 200-second footprint chart. And the last thing would be the ES tape. And then my trading view window. Boy, there's a lot of stuff to maximize. Okay, so we're seeing a sell-off here first thing here, mainly led by the NASDAQ. Where's that other window? There we go, the auction vista. Get me that one. Alright, cool. Now just curious, where did we sell off to? Right? Interesting. Look at that. Look where I had the level. 64.75. That's exactly where we sold off to. I'm not surprised at all. Alright, hopefully everything's in working order now. S&P's traded all the way down to this 41 zone. Now I'm gonna try to... There we go. Okay, that should be okay. Put the chat like there. I don't really care how many people are watching. Or whatever, 2 people, who gives a shit. Alright. I'm gonna need some water real quick and then I'm ready to go. Let me know if you guys can hear everything good. Whoever's here watching, just let me know if you can hear the sound good. Can you hear the music? Can you hear my voice? Can you hear stuff? All right. So the Q's seen a sell-off first thing. All right, cheers, man. All right, let's see what's going on here. $72, $71. Gonna lower the music just a tad here. Again, that 71 bid there. Sweep him up 77 offer. 77, 78. The Russell making a new low right now here. While the Nas is moving up, seeing a bit of that inverse correlation there. Russell trading right into its demand zone there, 19.5. For me, that's the demand zone on the Russell. Moving up here, NASDAQ 87 offer. Again, NAS flush right down to that area I noticed where the profile changed, right? Notice this huge single print, this huge low volume area that was left yesterday into the close. We went straight through it, stopped right where the profile changes, okay? So we'll see here. Today's session, I mean, since we got the FOMC tomorrow, there's a chance we can just stay here, or we can test lower in yesterday's range potentially. So we'll see what we get. But for me, this is a key area to watch, as well as yesterday's supply zones. Again, moving up. So I'm going to just keep watching the market here. Little freeze there. Moving up here, 88, 89. Seeing a couple of freezes here and there. I'm gonna close off Discord. Firefox, I'm gonna close that off. And that should be it. That's all I got. 88, 89. So it was 88, now moving up here, NASDAQ. Shooting up. Seeing some freezing on my end here. 88, 96. I think it's due to the stream. I gotta be honest with you. Because I don't normally experience that when I'm not streaming. So it was 88 to 96, roughly 8-point ranges here. So I'll just mark it down here. So 88, so then still moving up here. The Russell's still weak, trading near the lows. Again, looks like in hindsight, this was a dip to buy into here. We're moving up through this range that we just sold off through on the Qs. The Russell's weaker, trading 17 now. Below, it's below the demand zone. Put that fast refresh rate on the monitor, you know. Still grinding up here. It'd be nice to see a good liquidation move. But this is just a slow grind. Just wait for it to change. $17.4 on the ruts. Top of the opening range there. I don't know if you guys see this, but we're getting some freezing. I think it's due to the stream. I'm streaming at 6,000 bit rate at 60 FPS. So that might be a reason why my platform freezes every now and then. I'm seeing it on my end here. I might need to reduce that bit rate to back to 4,500. So far so good here. '15s, '05s, '95s. I'm just looking at the structure of the profile here. Almost look like it's respecting the fives, but whatever. We'll keep that idea here, but I'm not gonna stick with it. Yesterday we were respecting the ones in the morning, but yesterday was a different day. So you've seen a good liquidation, then a move right back through it to the top of the range here. Now contextually on this on NASDAQ is looking like we're likely to stay in the low volume area. Now we'll see here how this develops. 107 range, you can call it 107 to 113 is sort of this range. You can call it like the overnight demand zone. You can also call it the area where below that is all a single print, which you just traded right through it. So if we hold under here, it's probably going to trade through the range again. But if we hold above it, then it's going to go back and test those pre-market areas. So we'll see. And again, this is looking like, I don't know, contextually, I guess I kind of get a feel for it. Again, S&P trading right down to that 41 still. $17.4 on the ruts. That's where it bottomed. $17.4 on the ruts. Ruts get back above 19.5, so you might want to consider a long there. It's pretty good. Yeah, 13.25 there. This is like a make it or break it zone here. This, I thought I had marked in 07. That's odd. Again, really not expecting too much today. Seeing as though we have the FOMC tomorrow. But we'll see if we get any movement. There's a freeze again. Yeah, whenever a shit ton of volume hits in, it seems to be freezing. Look at that. Again, it's just bid here. Market's just bid 13, but I'm not going to buy it here. Just accumulation. Just take a look at my CPU real quick just to see what's using what. Yeah, OBS is using 10% of my CPU here. So I can definitely see how streaming at a higher bit rate is affecting my stream here. It might be bottlenecking. It might be bottlenecking my platform a little bit. So I wonder if I can change the bit rate while I'm streaming, or do I need to? Yeah, I could. Let's see if this works. Audio bit rate, that. Let's see if I change it to 4500. Will that do anything? So I lowered the bit rate of my stream, and we'll see if that helps at all. So far I haven't had any lag there on that big move down here. So we've seen a move down from the 13 handle down to the 707-ish. So we'll see if that helps. That should help, actually. I can already see it's using a little bit less CPU. So we'll see. And again, this chart in particular, I don't need it. So I'll close that because I have that one up there. It's the same thing. Moving up here still. New highs on the Qs, 13 up to 19. Again, one-sided. Ever since the open, we've seen one-sided down, then one-sided up. Nothing to trade here for me. What are you guys up to today? Coming back into the range now. 17 offer. Coming back in now, 14, 13 and a half. About a plus 100 here, back into the center of the range now. Plus 150, minus 150, sorry, that's what I meant. Center of the range. All getting offered lower here, getting offered lower. Coming to the other side of the range maybe. Bit of a liquidity pull at 0.1 half-ish. 0.1, 0.2, they're buying them back here. Last time I see this thing was offered at 17, now kind of getting pushed back into the range it was in. Nice absorption there on the Russell there, minus 100. A lot of that seems to be right around here, this 19 area. Some good selling on the S&Ps there. Oh, 6 now, other side of this range. Minus 229 on this move here. Still coming down here. 0.5, 0.1 half. Right to that liquidity pool I was talking to you about. Bounce it off of it. 0.1 half. Russell bouncing here. Oh, 1 half again. 98.50 straight through the evens. Now this is where you want to be careful being long. Unless it's for a scalp. Because contextually we're going back through that low volume area again. So we have this big HVN up there. Coming to trade the VWAP here down at 93. So we bounced off the 0.1, now trading 93. I'm just trying to get a good idea of the ranges we've got here going on here. 93 bid, right at VWAP. Some good selling overall. That's a lot of selling on the Qs here. S&P still near the lows here. The Russell's holding up better. So 93.01, the sort of, I'm seeing the 8-point ranges here. 07, so I'll just write that down real quick. 01 bid, 07, generally speaking here. Or actually it would be 09. It'd be 07 to 09, anyhow. New low again there at 92. Now 93 bid, you can fade it for a scalp, but I don't like it that much. This market's going down. This is where I would have my sell order. Right here, 01. But I don't like it. Went straight through it, see? I had a feeling. Now watch the bid at 01 here. So now we're going up here, a bid at 93. Trying to go up. Didn't take up a lot of buy stops there though. The Russell, again, looking like the stronger one now. Always keep an eye on that Russell here. Above our demand zone, trading through, trading up now on the Russell. Bull bias on the Russell, personally. The Qs is more mixed here. Trading 01 offers on the Qs here. The Russells, I like it. Trading 93s again, 92. Now watch this, minus 70 here right onto this bid, and we bounce right off of it. I'd like to see a decent flush. Huh. $86. 85, 86. Now this order here at 93 is really dangerous, I gotta admit. But by the way this is moving down here, look how much it moved down just now on the Qs. $80 area. Again, this is a key area, liquidity pool right around the 80. I'm freezing. Hey, thanks Robin. Appreciate it. And again, look at that delta. We've just seen some buyers just step in there, absorb a lot of those sellers. Or you can call it short covering, call it whatever you want. But we've seen some buyers step in right here around the 80 handle. Now we'll see if I get a decent move up here. Hey, what's going on, Luca? Not much, man. Just no trades yet, just hanging out. Watching some business. The ruts are clearly stronger here. NQU 10 minute. Where's my ruts? Ruts 10 minute. Let's see. So we had a stop run higher on the ruts. Yeah, I agree. 6. Offers lifting 6 offer here, 86. I'd like to see a nice pop here, just a quick pop. Again, the Qs are pretty weak here. 80 again here on the Qs. 80 bid yet again. 77s there are traded. 80 bid again there. Took out some sell stops under those lows. Yeah, I mean contextually, like you can't be long biased here on the Qs. You'd be a little crazy. You'd be pretty crazy to buy it after that much. Another new low there, 76. Yet again here, 80. Range wise, should go down to about 72-ish or lower. Let's see where it stops here. 73, yeah. This thing looks like it's got more to go. But again, look at how nicely holding up the Russell is. Dump those Qs. Ha! Yeah, I don't care, man. I just want to make a profit. I just want to scalp some ticks, you know? I don't care if it's going up or down. I just need a good environment for it to be scalpable. And when it's too one-sided, it's just no fun. It's just you just have to join the bid or join the offer and just hope for the best and manage trades a lot faster, you know? That's my rule for breakout trades. If I take an aggressive trade, like I have to learn how to scratch it fast. Like if you can't scratch a breakout, like you're not going to stay in business very long. So this thing's kind of rotating 5 handles here around 80 to 75, 80, 81, 86, 80, 86. That's sort of the range we're in here more or less. So those 86 offers lift, you go up. We're going lower though still. Nice one if you're short. You probably want to think about covering some here, but that's up to you. Again, remember, we're in a larger range here. Now traders are all bearish. So the Russell made a new low here. The Nas didn't. Traders are all bearish at the bottom of the range. That's where you want to be covering your short or part of it, most of it. Right? Look at all this selling here. Minus 144, the thing barely went down. Now look at this buying. Trying to get a feel for the rotations here. 70 bid. Plug puts for the 18th. I don't know, man. I don't know what that is. Popping them up here, 80 again. So a decent move up here now. Now watch the bid. Watch the bid on the Qs here. Russell down near the lows. Seeing some absorbing on the offer. Pretty good bid here. Minus 130 on that bid. Things pretty strong here. I still have an offer up at 90 something, eh? See if how fast it gets there. I mean, if it shoots up there, I'll take it, but if it's doing the slow bid, then no. So here we go, a little faster, 86. I have an option, yeah, even worse, man. That's like a hot potato. That's how I think of options. Hot potato, you gotta pass it to the next guy before it fucking expires in your hands. I've traded options, man. If you're trading weekly options or short dated options, it's like a game of hot potato. You catch it and you gotta pass it to the next guy pretty fast. You don't wanna be stuck holding it. Again, new low on the ruts here again by a couple of ticks. Seeing some accumulation, 16.9. Moving up here on the Qs. Again, look at the selling that's getting absorbed here. This is not looking great for this order here at 93, but we're gonna see. Look at the Russell just selling off. PLTR, baby. So 71 was the bid. Again, look at that selling though. 85 offer. Like, realistically, you'd want to bid it here. Like, it's kind of what I'm seeing right now. You'd want to bid it in that range. Yeah, the Russell's smashed those lows there, 16.9 here. Coming down the Qs here. If we get a good sweep, I'll take it. SPY looking good for calls. I don't know, yeah. As long as your risk is controlled. Still trading 85s here, 80, 85. Again, I'm pretty conservative in this environment, guys. You guys see me where I put my orders and stuff pretty far away. And they need to be filled under certain circumstances or else I pull them out. So, you know. I'm not trying to hit home runs or anything. I'm just trying to get some good trade locations, control the risk and whatnot. So here we go, 81's now trading here. Russell making new lows, 14 now. Pretty weak, pretty weak. 13.7. Russell, very weak. Coming in here, 79, 80. $85 again. Pretty good bid there, 85, 86. Nope, no bid. No bid there, 81. Just good to trap buyers at the top of the range. That's why I don't trade breakouts here. 79, 78, coming in. 8, 7. Minus 71 there, sell stops. Coming back in 80. So I'm a little close here. 73/4 is where I'm at. I'm a little close. With that accumulation, 78, more or less the volatility. I should be down here around 71. That's kind of where I would like to be, but again, I'm just watching the accumulation of orders. You're gonna be doing this more? Yeah, probably here and there. I try to stream a couple times a week. Try and keep it low key, you know. I'm not aiming to, you know, become famous because nobody knows what the hell we're even looking at here, which is a good thing. Okay, so the Russell's taken out yesterday's lows here. And is there a 15-minute zone I need to be aware of? Yeah, 17. 17.7. You might want to scalp it off of that handle. Or 19, either one. And the S&P is trading contextually here down to kind of where the profile changes. Right around that, you know, 30, 35, 3/4, 36 general area. Pretty good support there. Again here, what's the low of that bar there? 69 is the low of that bar? Come on, give us a good scalp here, huh? Can you give us a good scalp? What's the delta looking like? Oh, it's a little dangerous here. Top of the range again, 86, 85. Must have bid at 86. You can try it for a long, but again, this is the type of trade you got to scratch it real quick here if you're getting long here. 85, 86. Look at that. Pretty good bid at 85. No bid 85. No bid 85. See? Slowly up, 84, 85 offers there. Show me sell orders, 86. This is a scratch. Oh yeah, this is a good scratch here, 84. Six offers, 5 bids, 4s. Four bids, 350s, 3s, a scratch. 2 point scratch. Because I don't, look at that, see it's not bid, 81. Let's go get our bid back at 70 and a half there, 71 and a half. High question, why are stop orders not being shown on the DOM? And this is a tool, and is there a tool to show where stop orders are placed? No, nobody can see stop orders unless you're a broker and you can see your client's stop orders. No, nobody can see stop orders. You can only anticipate where they are, where they're gonna be. So, you know, you saw that trade right there? I took a 2 point scratch. That saved me money because you see where we are now. I would have gone for a full stop there. That's good selling. I mean, you know, man, I really don't know. I imagine it's possible, but I don't think so. Because what a stop order is, it's an order to your broker that they hold in their systems. And once the price is achieved, it triggers a market order. So it's not an actual order. It's simply a command that will trigger an order once that price is achieved. So again, only the broker systems can see the order. So the brokers can see the orders of their clients. They can see where their stop orders are. So it was 74 here traded, 73 3/4. And that wasn't a lot of sell orders. I mean, we had a minus 200 on that move. Now we're back. $83 bid here, moving back up. Again, I'm really not looking to be too aggressive today. Just watching what's been going on. We've been in a trading range here for the last 20 minutes or so, and this thing has just not been great. So we're just watching. Took a 2-point scratch. I need some water. Still have an order there, so. Again, probably going to see some opportunity open up towards the end of the week here. Okay, so we're moving up. 92 3/4. Remember that 93 zone? That was it. Plus 200 up to that. Traded 93 to the tick there. Pretty good bid. Back in. Back in, baby. 81, 80. Freezing. 79, 78, 70. It's a little dangerous here. But I kind of like it right off of the liquidity pool. 75, I'm freezing. 74, filled. Look at that, 71 bid there. That's what I'm betting on to hold. And it's not holding, 68, uh-oh. Can't do much about it. Took out the lows. Again, my thing is freezing, guys. Fucking bullshit, huh? Took a stop there. Second try. Offers lifted to 3. 4, 3. No, but I tried to scalp it long. I took a stop. Now we're seeing a move here. We had 77 there. Watching the bid. Uh-oh, 69, 68, 67. Uh-oh, it's no good, no good, no good. There, buyer stepping in there. 71, if it's not bid, I'm out. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh my goodness. One tick, one tick. No, 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 no. Nah, 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 nah. Nah, nah, nah. Alright, we had the wrong idea. Clearly. But that was a good, I mean, fuck, that was a good scalp. I just had to fucking cut it break even. So that'll put me down 2R on the session. That's alright. Or about 3R actually. I'm down $30. But overall, I'm not happy with what's going on here. Look at this. We're seeing freezing. Freezing in my platform. Terminal is Jigsaw using CQG. But I'm also running a bunch of charts and stuff, so I feel like that could be the reason. And I'm streaming as well. Because lately, it's been performing very well overall. But like, look at this. We're seeing a few glitches here and there. Russell's leading the market down here. So I mean, you know, I'm gonna go back and review that trade there, but we had the right idea, but the management was just off, and had to be more nimble overall with that type of trade. Again, any trade where you get in at the price the market's at, for me, it needs me to manage it much faster and just scratch them faster if they come back on top of you. Freeze again. Do you combine DOM and charting, or it's all DOM and price action? Mostly DOM and price action, but I do combine some stuff from the charts, yeah. But I try to keep it simple. Very, very simple. Not happy by the way my thing is freezing whenever the shit ton of volume comes in though. Now it seems to be alright. 59. Last time we had economic news, the market did the same thing. Yeah, that's hindsight. I don't think it's very relevant. My setup is far from simple. I think it's simple. I'll be honest with you. I'm just not happy about how it's performing a little right now. I'm just sort of freezing a lot. A lot of this glitching in the DOM. I might just restart my platform here if we see more freezing. It's kind of bid. It's kind of bid. $58, $59 was the liquidity pool. You're afraid of futures because of the speed? Yeah, that's fair. Well, I mean, you're still, you said you were trading the Qs, right? So you're trading the same market. It's just that with the futures, you see more ticks. You see more more prices, more trades happening. But it's the same market you're trading. You're trading NASDAQ. So that 58 bid held real good. Coming up now, 66, 8. A lot of volume on the offer there, 68. Yeah, missed it by a tick. Fuck. $71. That's the area here. It's pretty bid at 70 here. Four. Yeah, it's a little too much there. 4. I'll actually call it the top of the liquidity pool here. Plus 50 contracts. It's kind of bid though. Top of the liquidity pool. Meh, huh? Bid at 68. Sweep it. Filled on a sweep. Now we don't want to see prices lower than 63, 64 here. We really don't. Seven bid. 70. 68. 67. Offers trying to lift. A lot of sellers here. 63. That was a sweep. That's pretty good. If it can hold, we're good. If not, 63 here. $64 still bid. 64 took out that bid like it was nothing here. 63, 250. A lot of sellers. It's thick, but the way this is moving is no good. Looks like I'm gonna get stopped again here. 61. That's a little too low. It's all about 63, 64. Offers lifted back up to 64. It needs to be bid here. It needs to be bid. $64, 63 bids. No, it's no. No. Look at that sweep, 59. Forget it, guys. Again, another trade where I had good profit and then I fucked it up. So yeah, you guys could be fading me today. I'm really not doing well. Am I hitting my risk limit on the day here? Close, yeah. One more trade, yeah. One more trade and that's my risk limit for the day. So, you know. Traded the liquidity pool down at 58. And I had the idea of managing it that way too. Like you buy one at 60, you buy one at 58. Sorry, you buy one at 64 where I first got it. You buy one at 58 because there's two liquidity pools. And then that gives you a better idea of the trade here. Yeah. How you guys doing today? There was another playlist that I found See if this is any good. Apparently it's copyright free. If QQQ hits 341, I will have a better day. 341.60. Yeah, I mean, it's possible, but you're... See, this is what I see contextually here. It's that if the Qs can stay under 64, then what you said has a chance of happening. But right now we're bid at 64 here, and we're holding. And this is the area here on the triple Qs. It's about 343. 343-ish. If you hold here, probably it's just going to stay in a trading range and continue in this range here. But under here, it opens up the chance that we explore yesterday's range. But 341, I mean, you're being a little greedy there. But yeah, I think I see where you're going with that. I see where you're going with that. So Russell's down 7/10, Nasdaq's down 4/10. Real estate trusts are up, like always. And here we go here, coming down again. Strike is 342. Oh, you're long on the 342s? I don't know, man. Careful with the out of the money options. Yeah, just manage your risk. Do whatever you want. How about that? Yeah, good question, Ian. Yeah, I'm mainly trading Nasdaq, but I do trade the Russell from time to time. But yeah, I look at all three just to see the correlation because they're all correlated here. So the Qs again seeing a sell-off. Really, it's 36 on the S&P futures. 50. So the Russell is smack in the middle of a range at 06. Upper end 09. You know, I'd look to sell it. For a Russell, it looks like a pretty good range play. If you wanted to sell it here and here. For a range play, but again, I'm close to hitting my risk limit on the day. I've got one more trade here basically because I mismanaged a few trades, I would say. And that caused me to hit stop losses. Definitely need to go back and look at those and playbook them and alter the playbook. Again, it's just lack of discipline that is no good when you're trading. And the lack of discipline comes from other factors. It comes from like when you have a good session, everything's going well, and then you try to do the same the next day, and then boom, you can't. And then you take 3 stops in a row. Forget it, fuck. And you know, holding on to trades too long, you become a sitting duck. Scalping's fucking hard, man. That's for sure. Again, we've been bid here for quite some time. You know, you might be right, Roshan, but I don't think it distracts me too much. I know what I'm looking for, more or less. What I do find is annoying is when my platform starts freezing, which was happening before a lot. And like, I don't want to blame losing money on that, obviously, because losing money is the fact that I didn't fucking take the scratch where I had to. But, you know, freezing platform, fucking annoying, gotta say. $64 offers on the Qs. Russell smack in the middle of the range. Do you think scalping is good preparation for long plays up to swing trades? Yeah, I think scalping is a good skill that can help you to get a more precise entries into the market. But the thing is that it doesn't really transfer over to swing trades. Like if you can consistently scalp the market, it doesn't mean you're gonna get a swing trade entry, especially when the market's fast, because just as fast as it goes up, it's gonna go back down, you see? So like, it doesn't necessarily transfer over. But like, there are certain skills in scalping and short-term trading that will transfer over to you getting more precise order fills, more precise entries. So it was 64, then 71. Again, this is the top of the range here, 71, 74. Same shit as before. So we're on an up move now on the Qs. I just feel like a bid in this area would be reasonable. I guess I mean more for getting some kind of feel of the behavior of market makers and the rhythm of an asset. I mean, dude, just, I don't know, just get used to looking at your market. Russell moving up here. Q swept him down to the 64. Bid him 67. Liquidity pool down at 54. I might be a little close at 59, but seems reasonable. $54 to $59. Like, see, this is what I think I should be doing. Like, see, when I identify a zone that I like, I gotta have my orders spread out in the zone. So here comes the Russell, slowly inching its way up to the top of this range here. I don't really like how it's moving, I'll be honest with you. Like, realistically, I think this order is too close. This one looks okay. Oh wait, offers on the ruts. Too slow. Nice Q in the 59. I just pulled it because it's coming too slow. Got filled on this one on the ruts at 091. This is a range play here. Really, I don't want to see this over 10 on the ruts here. There's 59 for you. Wow. One tick away from that fucking order. Got a nice fill on the ruts there. Top of the range there. So I think I'll let that one ride a little. Look how quickly it's going to the target. I'll let it fill if it goes that fast. It's a lot of sell orders. It's bid 7-5, 7 bids pulled, 6. Ah, nice. Filled on the sweep. Nice scalp on the Russell. That was a pure range play right there. Pure range play. I think that one put us back in business on the session. Ah, we're still down about 2.5 hours. Nice Q. The guy said nice Q in the 59. Pulled it out. Again, sellers really have been controlling this market since the morning here. Look at this. And we're kind of bid now. Again, this is like bigger picture bias for me, 64, 65 zone. If we hold here, it's really bullish. The Q's, I mean it's not really bullish, but it's not bearish if it holds here. And this is the upper end of this range here, this 71 to 74 handle. If it can get above that, it's going to test here. So we'll see. Got an order kind of near the bottom of this range here. I would like to see a good sweep, trap some sellers, and then a rebid. That's sort of the idea. I might be a little too far at 54 though, but we'll see. So far, I've been seeing it in my orders that I've been getting missed by 1 or 2 ticks in the NAS, so I'm being a little too conservative now. Here we come again, 59. $60 even bid. Coming down, 58, then rebid. 58 quarter. Russell coming back up here, 09. I just need a one quick sweep. I don't want none of this creepy crawly nonsense. Come on, give us a good sweep. 07. Nah, it's doing this creepy crawly nonsense. Slowly, slowly. 07 quarter. It was 60 even, then 59, then 58, now 57. Now it's rebid 60. No good, no good. This is, I can already tell this 54 is not a good order, just by the way it's trading, sort of. But we'll see. Here it comes again, 59, 7, 9. There we had the ruts trade the 9s again. What I would like to see on the ruts is a nice pop up. But you know what? Look at that bid there. 087. Not bid. Probably the ruts wants to trade the single print now. Well, we'll see. Again, what I'd like to see is a nice run. There we go. Look at that nice run. 094. And again, this order in the queues here, I'm about to pull it unless we get a quick move here. 098 on the ruts, moving up. Okay, so that bid was that 087. Now watch how it comes back down here. So far, I mean, that's quite interesting. Top of the hour, 11 a.m. Traded 55 quarter and bounced. Again, I'm seeing this. It's been just going slowly down now here on the queues. Wow, look at the ruts. Wow. Back to 076. Would you want to sell it at 09? I mean, yeah, maybe. 095, 094.
coming up fast. Probably won't even get there. See? Yeah, see? 7-7. I think the S&Ps have just been consistently selling off here. Yeah, look at that. Oh my god. That 50-minute chart is just a disaster on the S&P futures here. See, I can't trade one-sided markets. That's why I'm looking at these other ones here. What does he trade? I'm trading the Q's futures and the Russell's futures. So this move here, 55.25. Yeah. I was too far in anyways. I would not got filled there. Again, so what I'm able to see here is that I'm reading it fine, but I'm on the Qs, my orders are a little too far. And on the ruts, I was reading it good here, and obviously it makes sense that we didn't get filled on this 09 here on the ruts the second time. We got it the first time. Now it's liquidating through the range. It's coming pretty fast here. Now, give or take, where would you want to trade the ruts here on the bottom end of the range? That's a little tricky. Still have an order here. No orders here. Let me take a look at the ruts here. Where's the... Yeah. 09, 06. Give or take 3 points. 03. Unless we get another nice move up. Market looks weak. Yeah. I don't know. The ruts are in a trading range. The Qs are in a trading range. And the S&P is down like crazy. Is trading popular in the USA? I don't know. Yeah, I guess so. It's one of those things, you know, 2021. Everyone's getting into streaming, trading, all this nonsense. Do you ever trade crypto? Nope. I've looked at them though, but I have not traded them. Kind of thin markets. But I imagine there's a lot of opportunity. But when the hype starts pulling in, you know, like on the Dogecoin and whatnot. Basically, anything Elon tweets about, just don't short it, don't fade it. Here we come, seeing a bit of an up move here. Bids being held around the 62 for the last few minutes. grinding up. Ruts trading in the middle of their range here. What are you guys up to today here? Okay, here comes the Q's trading the top part of the range again. Now 71 to 74 here. The Ruts trading in the middle of their range here. S&P seeing a bit of a recovery off the lows. Generally speaking, on the Ruts for a range play, I would want to bid it here, 03-ish. But again, it's a little risky because you'd be buying the low. But I mean, it's not about buying the low or selling the top. It's about playing the range, playing the standard deviation, you know. Here come the Ruts pretty fast up here. Seen a 2-point move up. Can we get a good squeeze and fill our order at 094? Qs are bid up here at 71 here, trading 74s. 081s, Ruts moving up at the same time here. All markets moving up same time. Q's trading 74. Here come the Ruts 85, 84 bid. A lot of sell orders on the Ruts. That's kind of a little bit alarming, just a little. So we might have seen some sellers get trapped here. So I'm watching very closely how this trades here. Again, look, it's kind of inching its way towards my order. I don't really like that too much. What I want to see is a good sweep. 08, 05. I see what's going on here. 09. 09 is an inflection point, and judging by the way it's trading here, I don't like this order too much. But I might still take it for a scalp depending on how it fills. Coming back into the range here, 075. On the Qs, I'm bull biased above 65, 64. I won't even consider looking to short it unless it's below that. But the thing about the Ruts is that it looks like it might be ready to... Heh. Well, 74 offers held on the Qs. We're going back into the range yet again. So I'm not bullish, not bearish. What about you guys? Oh, here come the ruts there. 083, 083, 085, 086. Oh, 86, 089, 08, 9. Oh, 9 offer. 9 offer. How much profit do you usually have? Ha! Right now I'm down $30. But I don't look at that. I try to look at it in ticks. How much profit you're making relative to the amount of risk taken. That's it. Not how much profit relative to how much risk. Man, 09 offer down to 08. No. This Russell here. Coming up again, 087. Nah, I really don't like it. I'm pulling that order out, guys, because it's no good. But I'll tell you this much. Let's say we run the 10, 11, and then we're back to 09 offer, then I'll sell it again. Why not? But the way it's trading here, look at this. 085, 08, 06. Sorry, I'm not used to talking about the Russell. 085, 086, 088, 9 offer. It's doing this creepy crawly business. It's bidding up. Nine offer, 9 bid. We had 52 buyers up there, but that's previously. Now watch 09 bid here. Oh 95, 096. Again, the Russell, it's really hard to read order flow on the Russell because there's not much contracts trading. So, you know, you just have to play it based on the ranges it's got. That's how I'm playing it right now. Or that's how I'm thinking about it. But there's not much flow there, so it's a little hard to trade. You can't really trade it based on flow. It's a meme stock day. Q's coming down here, 61. Oh, the ruts are bid at 90. Sorry, 09. You know, contextually, this is what I'm seeing. This huge LVA here, I think probably gets run on the ruts here if we trade through the 09s. So far we're bid 096, 095. Q's coming back down. Oh 97, 096. Now 10. Now realistically, seems reasonable to look to bid if you can get a fast fill. If I can get a quick fill, the way it's coming quickly down, it's pretty good here. Quickly down, bids pulled, now 09 bid. Now we get a quick little fill here. I'll accept a quick fill. 09, 089, 088, nope, 09. Q's just bid there. Actually, it might be reasonable, more reasonable here. That's a little tricky here. I don't quite like that area. So I pulled the order. I don't like that area too much. '09 bid still. '09 offer. And the Qs are doing nothing. Okay, now we've seen an offer here on the '09 one. That offer, 091. If that guy lifts, you don't want to short it at all. You want it long. You want it long here. If there's no offer at 091, you go fucking long here. He still offered. It's not bid though, that's the problem. It needs to stay bid, it's not staying bid. Q's coming up again to trade the upper end of the range. Looks like the buyer's won there. It needs to stay bid though. It needs